Morning. My name is Devkrit. I am pursuing a BTech degree from Functional School of Technology. I am in a second semester, and my first semester I have learned some programming languages like Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and currently we are doing some DSF problems. And in this video, I am going to solve a medium level LeetCode problem. So let me share my screen first. So the name of the question is Sequential Digits, and it is a medium level LeetCode problem. The question is, an integer has sequential digit if and only if a digit in the number is one more than the previous number. So first is explained us what a sequential digit is, which is on the number should be one more than the previous number and in sequence. And we have to return a sorted list of all the integers in range low to high inclusive that have sequential digits. So we have to return all the sequential digits in array list and in sorted format, which is in the range of low to high. First, see the example one. So we have been given input low, high. Low is 100 and high is 300, and we have to return all the sequential digits between them. So the first sequential digit is 1, 2, 3, and the second is 2, 3, 4. And if we go after that, so we came up with 3, 4, 5. Again, which will be greater than the highest value. That's why we cannot use that. So we only return 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. And if we look at example 2, the input is low 1000, high 13,000. So we have to return all the sequential digit between 1000 and 13,000. So as the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, but not 7, 8, 9, 10. Because if we use 7, 8, 9, 10, it will exceed the value of high. But if we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be between low and high. That's why we are using this. So how should we solve this? Let me first share my answer. So this is what I came up with. So in this question, we have to return in array list and integer data type. Then we have been given two parameters, low and high, both of in integer data type. First, I made an array list of integer data type and name it list is equal to new array list, made an object of it. And after that, I have used a loop, for loop, and initialize with 1 and give a condition I should always smaller equal to 9. And until this condition is satisfied, the loop will run again and again until this condition is false, and each time the loop runs, the value of I will be increased by 1. And inside the loop, I have made two variables, next and num. And next should be 1 greater than I, and num should be I. And after that, I have used another loop, while loop, and give a condition num should be smaller equal to high, and next should be smaller equal to 9. Because the range of I is 9, so next can exceed the value of 9, which we don't want. That's why I've given this condition. Until this condition is true, the loop will run again and again. And here inside it, we are going to update the value of num by multiplying the num in 10 and adding num next. And after that, the value of next will be increased and added again. This will, and after that we are going to use if condition. If num is greater equal to low and num is smaller equal to high, and if both condition is true, then this loop runs. If a num is between the range of low and high, then num will be added to list, and then the value of next will be increased by 1, and this process will repeated again and again until the next will exceed the value of 9. After that, next will be I plus 1, which will be 2. The value of I will increase by 1, and next will be 2, and num will be 2, and this condition will run until all of the sequential digits will be added to list. And after that, we have to sort the list, because in this question it is clearly mentioned that we have to return a sorted list. So we have to use collection.sort, which is used to sort array list. That's why we have used collection.sort, and then we are going to return the list, because the name of our array list is list. So if we run this, as you can see, it accepted our code, and if we submit it, it got submitted and beat 100% of the people with Java, because the time complexity of this code is constant, and the space complexity of this code is also constant. So thank you for watching this video.